Everything still feels like a freeze out here. The kind where you open the door thinking, maybe today, and then immediately regret it. And honestly, I think I need a medal to survive through the longest month ever. This January and start of February has been the coldest one in 16 years. It doesn't look like it's changing anytime soon, which is mildly infuriating because I'm more than ready to start moving outside again. I want soil, I want spring flowers, I want projects that don't involve anything related to a paint roller. And I want that medal. Last year at this time, I was already in the garden building the greenhouse, raised beds, and just enjoying spring. But for now, the ground is still covered in snow and frozen solid. So instead of fighting it, I'm doing what I've learned to do best. Stay inside. And while I'm waiting for the snow to melt, I figured I might as well crack on in here with my living room painting project. As I told you last week, I'm sort of halfway through with painting in the living room. I started with the easy part because there's no furniture around the dining area, but now I'm moving back here. So today's big dilemma: do I start with the big job over here with the gallery wall, or the more easy side with just the couch? What will you do? I think I'm gonna go the hard route today and start with taking down my lovely gallery wall. I know it's cheating, but I can't be bothered to remove the TV mount. I'll just move it when I move out of this house, and then paint behind it for the new owners. And then I'm gonna paint the ceiling at the very end, and then just focus on all the walls for now. It feels a little bit magical, although it's chaos. I think this is the first time in my life that I can say I've snowed in. You get the point. Well, wow. I guess being snowed in isn't the worst thing. At least I'm getting the living room back together. Okay, small but very satisfying update. The gallery wall is finished, done, finally, and it was actually easier than I expected. This means the living room is officially past the halfway point. All that's left now is the wall behind me and the ceiling. Well, about half the ceiling. Which sounds manageable until you remember what the ceiling involves. But it already feels lighter in here. A few more coats, a bit more furniture shuffling around, and we're getting very close to calling this one finished. And while we're here, if you're enjoying these slow winter projects and quiet progress and hanging out with us each week, both me and Alva would love it if you subscribe to the channel and maybe hit the notification bell too. So YouTube remembers to invite you back when a new video goes up. It really helps us more than you know, and I'm very happy and very glad you're here. And I know Alva loves all the appreciation you show him week after week. Yeah. I also finished painting the sunroom. Sage green all over. I like it. Going grandpa style here. So that's where we're at. The outside world is still frozen solid. It's even, it started snowing again. garden is waiting patiently, and I am doing my best to be patient with it all. Inside things are moving, walls are changing, plants are forming, and even when it feels like nothing much is happening, something always is. Right. Alvar is not impressed. He's completely ignored me. Anyway, same house, same winter, still waiting for spring, but we're getting closer. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next week.